Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be continuing on with part 3 on how to draw feet. In our last video, we did both a 3/4 and side view foot. But for this video, we'll be doing the back view of the foot. So let's get into it. Alright, so we could start coming down for the leg. And like in previous videos, you guys don't have to worry about this part, but feel free to follow along. Next, we will go ahead and we will add in the ankle bones right here. And notice how it kind of offset it. Like it's not perfectly aligned. Alright, nice. And next we will put in this shape right here for the back of the foot. Then we could drop in these two lines curving slightly away from each other. This will just help with the shape for the back of the foot. Afterwards, we will just come down with these two lines on the right hand side, because you'll see a little bit of the side of the foot right here. Even though we get a back view of it, it's sometimes good to showcase a little bit of that. And then we will finish off the shape of the foot. And we can also bring down these two lines coming down at the center of the ankle. I think you'll call this what the it's just the bone you see in the back. I'm not too sure what you'll call it. Alright, so we could clean up a bit of our guidelines now. So just like that, because it will help us to see, the drawing a lot better. And we could also do a bit of cleaning up for the foot right here. Alright, cool. Okay, so now we could create these two arc shapes. And really try to follow along for this part, guys. Alright, so we have the two arc shapes right here. Now we could bring down a center line coming down, and we will go ahead and start making this oval shape right here. And this is pretty much just the shape we're using for the heel. And once we finish with that, we can erase this line right here, so we can see our heel a lot better. And we'll also do a little more cleaning up. Alright, nice. And that's all our feet, guys. So now we can kick it into time lapse to finalize the drawing, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we back after the time lapse, and I could finally say we finished the accursed feet. The accursed feet. And don't think it's just the accursed hands. But We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.